Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys iqoo mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys iqoo mobile guys phone touch vibration problem, how to fix and how to solve. Friends, you have your iqoo mobile phone tap and touch vibration problem. When you tap on your phone button, so friends your phone vibrate. So friends, how to fix this phone vibrate problem, one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your device phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, open your device sound and vibration setting. After on the phone sound and vibration setting friends, scroll it, and friends you will find here touch vibration setting, and your touch vibration setting is on. So then first of all turn off touch vibration setting. After turn off friends, now you can use your iqoo mobile without any touch vibration problem. You can tap on your screen, you can tap on your iqoo mobile through this three button, and friends your phone will not vibrate again. You want to touch vibration setting, so friends you can on touch vibration setting, and after turn on friends your phone will vibrate. If you tap on your button, phone will vibrate. So like that friends you can use phone touch vibration setting. And friends, you want to on touch sound, so if you want touch sound, so if you tap on your screen, if you tap on any button, any icon, so you can do touch sound. So like that friends we can do touch sound setting and touch vibration setting. And you don't want to use touch sound setting, you don't want to use your touch vibration setting, you can turn off. Friends, you can on phone charging sound setting, screen lock sound, dial pad sound, screenshot sound. Friends, you want to on, you can on and you can off from here. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends understood how to use iqoo mobile touch vibration setting and how to fix iqoo mobile touch and tap vibration problem. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye.